Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about trigonometry. Trigonometry means study of triangle. So angle, that is, that depends on the rotation. If you consider the initial side on x-axis, and when you rotate, this is a ray, so the fixed point we called vertex, and if you rotate the initial side in the direction of anti-clockwise, this line we call the terminal side. So the amount of rotation in between initial side and terminal side we called angle. So angle normally we denote with Greek letters alpha, beta, theta, gamma. Normally we denote with the Greek letter theta. This is theta, alpha, beta, gamma, like. Okay, and we have two types of an angle. One is positive angle, another one is negative angle. So it is depends on the rotation. The rotation is in the clockwise direction. Clockwise direction we have negative. Anti-clockwise direction we have positive angle. So this is anti-clockwise, opposite to clockwise direction. We have positive angle. Same in the clockwise direction we obtained negative angle. And there are two measures for measuring an angle. The first measure we called degree and another one we called radian. And first we talk about the degree measurement. The Babylonians developed the idea of dividing the circumference of a circle. So the total circle actually divided into 360 equal parts. So are we called degree. 360 equal parts of degree. Okay, so that one small part we considered as 1 degree, and overall the Cartesian system we divide into 4 parts, and this we called first quadrant. I mean from 0 to 90 degree. 0 to 90 degree we call first quadrant, and 90 to 180 degree, this is 90 degree, and 90 to 180 degree we call second quadrant, and 180 to 270 degree, it's a third quadrant, this is third quadrant, and last one 270 to 360 degree we call fourth quadrant. So totally 4 quadrants we have, and here we mention one complete rotation 360 degree and half rotation 180 degree. And this measure we called radian measure. So always the radian measure usually come with pi. It is an irrational number, 22 divided by 7, or the value approximately 3.14 in real value. Okay, normally it is depends on the length of the arc in the unit circle. This is a unit circle, so radius r. So when you move the ray from starting to the ending position, and this length, the arc length, we considered it is 1. So both are 1, I mean the radian. So then the theta, it's also 1. So normally theta is depends on the arc length and divided by radius. So the theta is also 1 radian. This is 1 radian. So the entire overall, the complete circle, we have 2.68 radians. 2.68, so that is equal to 2 pi radians. So 2 pi is equal to 360 degree. So when you compare to degree and radian measures, 2 pi is equal to 360 degree. Okay, first we talk about the positive and negative angles that are coterminal with 51 degree, and second question minus 7 degree. So we need to find two positive and two negative. So coterminal, the meaning of the coterminal is the terminal sides of an angle must be the same. So if you have the 51 degree, so 51 degree, it's approximately like this. This is 51 degree if I'm considering here. So what about the coterminal means the terminal side of another angle, it must be the same. So if you move same like this, and if you move complete rotation and keep it in the same place, we have, so what we have to do for positive angle, we need to add by 360 degree. So they're asking two positive angle, so you can add one more time 360 degree. Even no need to multiply 3 times 360 and this answer. Even take this answer plus 360 degree also correct. Okay, so we have many answers. Answers are possibles. So we can get many answers for this case. So they ask only two positive. So this is enough. Just you need to add by 360 degree for getting positive angle that are coterminal. For negative angle, reverse minus 360 degree, because we have to take the terminal side in opposite direction complete. So minus 360 degree, so that you have to reach this is the terminal side. So 360 minus 51, it is minus 300, so this is minus 309 degree, minus 309 degree. So this is negative angle, and if you want to get one more angle, you can take this answer and again minus 360 degree, minus 360 degree. That's it's perfect, because if you move from this again minus, if you move one more time, so again it is complete rotation 360 degree, so minus 360 degree, it gives minus 669 degree. And same like for negative 7. So coterminal means positive angle we have to add, for negative angle we need to subtract, so that you have to remember. And the same question we can ask with radians. So what it is given, a positive angle and a negative angle that are coterminal with 2 pi over 3. So what is 360 degree in radians? We know this 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radians. So for getting positive coterminal angle, we have to add by positive 2 pi, and for getting negative angle, we need to subtract by 2 pi. No need to multiply here 3. That is, many answers are possible. That's why they are giving like 3 times or 4 times, 5 times also we can do. So this one you can do by calculator, no problem. We have to keep like in a fraction, or you can give answer, in a real number. That is also correct. So the concept you have to remember, coterminal means the positive angles. A coterminal means that angle having same terminal side. Next question, convert degree to radians. For converting angle from degree to radian, we need to multiply by pi divided by 180 degree. So this is the rule we have to remember. So just multiplying by pi radians divided by 180 degree, and we can use calculator. In the calculator, remember, we have to keep answer in radians, so you need to keep the calculator mode should be in radians. So that is very important, because here we are using calculator, so you have to keep the calculator mode in radians, because answer we should keep in radians. So how to get this? This is very simple. You just type 120 in the calculator, then in the bracket you can keep like pi divided symbol, then 180, close the bracket, and equals. This gives you the value 2.09 radians. You can check from your calculator. And similar way for the next question, minus 297.25 degree. So what we have to, first you can press minus 297.25 in the calculator, I'm telling. So you just check with your calculator. multiply. For multiply, you can put in the bracket pi. Pi symbol, we need to use shift and another key, exp they mention in the calculator, the basic calculator. So pi divided by 180 and close the bracket and equals. This gives you the value 5.19 radians. So for this question we can use calculator, and what we need to remember, we have to keep the calculator mode in radians. So how to change mode, calculator mode, that is depends on the calculator. Sometimes we need to press directly the mode button. Once you get the perfect radian means it should give rad in the calculator. Degree, it should be like deg and with number. So you have to press the number, so the mode will be changed automatically. The next question, we have to change in degree. So we have to keep calculator mode into degree and the same rule, but here multiplying by 180 divided by pi radians, the reverse. So what is given? Minus 3 pi over 4. So 3 you can keep in the calculator. You have to write, this is in bracket, it is better. 3 pi, because we have a fraction. So divided symbol, then 4 and close the bracket, and again you have to keep the bracket 180. Now the formula, it's reverse, remember. So 180 divided by pi, 180 divided by pi. So this gives you the value 135 degree. Don't forget to give equals. And similar way you can do this, and this is a real number, it is easy, no need to keep in the bracket. So just press the number 8.5 from your calculator and open bracket 180 divided symbol pi, close the bracket, equals. This gives you approximately 487.01 degree.